bilganimizdek Allah'tan başka medetkari yok. Zulümge baş eğmeydiğen haqqani milletmi yok emas. Vicdani borçlarını ada qilish, xalqimizning hurligi, xotirjamligi va ikki dunyolik baxt saodatini qo'lga keltirish uchun o'zligidan qo'zg'alib, qonliq badallar bilan tarix betlerinde şallık sahifelerini açkan san-sanoqsiz mard mujohid qiz o'g'lonlarimiz, shir yurak qahramonlarimiz üzülmey chiqib turdi. Ularning issiq qonlari va jonlari badliga qo'lga keltirgan shonliq natijalari hiligar shu niyatlarning oldan qolsiq tushib ketgan bo'lsa-mu, ularning ish izlari xalq qalbidan ve Allah'ın rahmet nazarıdır. Meyli qanchalik bedellerini berip mi hiç nimege erişemey dünyadan kessin. Çünkü ularning körüşü haqqani.
After Friday prayer, a small group of Muslims demand justice. Release the innocent men, release our brothers, they cry.
For the past half an hour, there have been a group of Uyghur men and women protesting, raising their voices and shouting in anger. So far, the authorities have done nothing, but now, as you can see, they're moving in to try and control this situation.
They quickly surround the group. Look closely at the protester in the white t-shirt. A policeman kicks him hard. Then, on the left, an officer runs in, drawing his baton. He smashes it down with full force. Next, the protester is led away. His hands are held. He's defenseless. Another officer punches him repeatedly, then kick. At this point we had to stop filming. The police began rounding up journalists. Earlier the group said they feared for their safety. There's no word from the authorities as to where they are now. Quentin Somerville, BBC News, Urumqi in Western China.